all of you are welcome on this channel. I'm your own Divyansh Rathore. I have brought a new series for you in which we will learn Laravel complete course basic to professional, which is our zero to hero course. In this course, we will learn those of things which are useful in our life project. After learning, you will be able to create your own website easily. So let's start the first introduction video of Laravel. So the first thing is that what is Laravel? Okay, so Laravel is a free and open source web application framework and expressive elegant syntax which is based on MVC model view controllers architecture. A Laravel is a web framework provides a structure and starting point for creating your application. It's help us to provide amazing developers experience while providing powerful features through dependency. Laravel is the best used to develop complex web application. Laravel can help to develop a secure web application. It's a very scalable framework and it's also a wide community across the world. Laravel is a use for development, web and APIs. Laravel is a full stack framework which helps a developer create full stack application with the help of Laravel. It's a free of cost, modern framework and easy to use. The most of use this framework for creating the PHP websites. It's work very well in MySQL database. And Laravel a lot of useful features led or Alquant. So guys, why we use Laravel? There are a variety of tools and frameworks available to you when building a web application. However, we believe Laravel is the best choice for building modern full stack web applications. Basically, it's have the strong command line support. It have a very large community and regular updates and fast and simple. Now we know the history of Laravel and its versions. So Laravel's first release in June 2011. Developer name is Taylor Otwell and current version of Laravel is 9 and written in PHP. Topics covered in this complete series. I will give you a basic introduction of Laravel and how to install Laravel and database and its advanced topic, APIs, news features of Laravel and live projects. We will cover all the things from basic to advanced level installation, database and advanced topics which is required in this project and APIs and what is the new features of Laravel and projects. So we will discussing all the things in complete this series. So friends, I will tell you all the topics which we will cover in this complete course. So we will learn all the topics in this course, but I will tell you all the important things in it with live projects. So stay with us if you are new on the channel, or subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. And if you are feel that like will be helpful, then definitely like a video. So see you next video. Bye bye.